What if your reflux, GERD or IBS flare-ups is not just about your food, but about your nervous system? Does your gut ever control your day? Maybe it's bloating when you wake up, or reflux after your meals, or the cramps that strikes without warning. For many living with GERD or IBS, even the smallest triggers like stress, late night snacks, or just one wrong bite can make your digestion into chaos. If you feel this familiar, then you're not alone. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes as we flow through here at the Pasir Ris Beach, where the waves meet the shore in a steady rhythm. Just like the tide, your gut and nervous system are connected. When one is unsettled, everything feels off balance. Today's gentle yoga practice will calm your gut, balance your breath, and bring harmony back to your body from the inside out. Welcome to SG60 Yoga Wellness Series. I am Ranjani, an internationally certified yoga therapist, pregnancy yoga teacher, author, and founder of Aathmik Yoga. If you're new here, I would invite you to check out the previous episodes from the playlist linked in the description box below. Trust me, you will relish each and every one of those. Beginning with a Vajrasana twist. Sit comfortably on your knees and on your heels, feet flat, spine straight, and stay in Vajrasana. Elongate your spine upwards as you inhale and relax your shoulder blades as you exhale. This is the only asana that you can perform after consumption of food. Stay here for 2 minutes to gently invoke the Agni, the fire in your digestive system. Now let's do a twist from here. Keep your right hand on your left knee and bring the left hand to the back side of your mat and slowly twist. Exhale deeply as you do the twist. Inhale, come back to the center and repeat it on the other side as you exhale deeply. Let's do this for 3 rounds on each side, trying to bring gentle compression in your digestive organs. Twisting in Vajrasana gently massages your intestines, helping food move smoothly and reducing bloating. It also stimulates the liver and kidneys, supporting detox and gut balance. Once we finish, let's move on to the next warm-up, that is the cat and cow. Come up in all fours, legs hip-width distance apart, wide spread your fingers. Inhale as you arch your spine and look up. Exhale as you round your spine and look in between your arms. Do this for 5 to 10 rounds. Cat and cow gently massages your spine and abdominal organs, helping your gut move more efficiently. This simple flow relieves bloating, eases cramps, and releases tension in your belly. As you move with your breath, it also soothes your nervous system, creating harmony between your mind and digestion. Our gut and brain share the same nerve pathway. When our mind relaxes, digestion improves. Once we finish, sit comfortably back in Vajrasana and rotate your wrist. And for the next warm-up, lie down comfortably on your back on your mat. Hug your knees closer to your stomach. Interlock your fingers around your legs and slowly roll to the left and to the right. Do this for 2 to 3 rounds on each side. This gentle roll massages your belly, eases gas and bloating, and relaxes your lower back, helping digestion flow naturally. And now hold your legs tightly, engage your feet, and slowly push your shoulders and head closer to your leg and hold it here for 5 breaths. Pavanamuktasana helps release trapped gas and pressure, bringing lightness and comfort to your stomach. And relax. Let's do this for 2 more rounds. Inhale deeply, exhale, hug your knees and lift your shoulder blades and head and bring it closer to your knees. Pavanamuktasana compresses the abdomen, stimulating the intestines and easing gas, bloating, and discomfort. It also strengthens the lower back and tones the digestive organs, helping your system release what it no longer needs, both physically and emotionally. Once we finish, again hold your legs and see if you can roll out and back for 5 rounds. Rolling up and down massages your spine and core, boosts blood flow, and awakens digestive energy. And come to a seated position. This completes our warm-up. Let's move on to the asana sequence. Got yoga related questions? Join my WhatsApp group with 500 plus members for support, or follow my channel for updates if you prefer privacy. Links are in the description. For the asana sequence, from a standing posture, bend your knees, bring your hands to the sides of your mat and slowly walk it forward. Moving into your downward facing dog, spread your legs hip width distance apart. Push your chest closer to your body. Hold it there for a few breaths. And now slowly lift your right leg high and bring it to the center of your palms. Drop the back knee to the mat, feet flat, and push yourself upwards, bringing your hands up above your head. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Low lunge opens your hips and stretches the abdomen, improving digestion and easing tension from long hours of sitting. Let's add a twist here. Bring your left hand closer to your right foot and take your right hand up above your head. Hug your thigh closer to your stomach. Stay here. Twist stimulates your abdominal organs, supports detox and digestion, and releases tightness in your spine. If you want to intensify this pose, you can slightly bend your back leg and see if you can hold it there. This quad stretch opens deep hip and thigh muscles that often trap tension and restrict digestion, freeing space for your organs to function smoothly and improving gut circulation. Let's repeat it on the other side. Push back to downward facing dog. Pedal your legs. Take your left leg high. Bring it to the center of your palms. Drop the back knee, feet flat. Push yourself up in low lunge first. Science shows stress can slow digestion and worsen acid reflux. It's not just about what you eat, but how calm your body feels when you digest. And now bring the right hand closer to your left foot. Left hand goes high, stay in the twist. Many think twisting worsens digestion, but gentle twists actually help move trapped gas and stimulate your intestines when done mindfully. If needed, bend the back knee and hold it there. Tight thighs can pull your pelvis forward, adding pressure to your gut. Stretching them helps digestion flow easier. And slowly release. Sit in Vajrasana and rotate your wrists. The next pose is Ardha Matsyendrasana. For that, you need to sit with your legs extended in front of you, feet engaged. Now bend your right knee. Bring it to the outside of the left knee. Keep it closer, feet flat on the mat, and bend the left leg. Bring it closer to your body. This forms the base posture. Now inhale, lift your left hand high and wrap it around the right leg. Keep it closer to your leg. Twist the back hand to the mat. Twist and look back. Ardha Matsyendrasana gently massages your abdominal organs, aiding digestion and easing bloating. Studies show spinal twists can stimulate gut mobility, helping reduce IBS discomfort and acid reflux symptoms naturally. Let's repeat it on the other side. Slowly release. Now bring the left foot closer to the right knee. Bend the right leg. Take your right hand up above your head. Inhale. Exhale. Wrap it around the left leg and twist back. Did you know 10 to 15% of adults worldwide struggle with IBS? Many believe acid reflux is caused only by spicy food, but research shows stress and sluggish gut movement are bigger triggers. Gentle twists like this can naturally support digestion and ease discomfort. And slowly relax. Shake your legs. And the next pose is cow face pose. For this, try to bend your legs, stacking one knee over the other, and hold both the feet with your hands. Push your spine upwards as you inhale, and as you exhale, hinge forward from the hip and slowly do a forward fold. Hold it there. Relax your shoulder blades and keep breathing. Cow face pose helps release deep tension in your hips and shoulders, two areas that store emotional and digestive stress. By opening these joints, you improve circulation to your abdominal organs, easing bloating and supporting smoother digestion. And slowly push yourself up. Now gently switch sides, reversing the cross of your legs. Keep your spine tall and shoulders relaxed as you breathe into the stretch, balancing both sides of your hips and digestion. Inhale, straighten yourself up. Exhale, forward. Keep breathing gently. Healing begins the moment you choose to breathe with awareness. Science fact: tight hips can restrict blood flow to your gut. Relaxing them through poses like this can actually calm digestive discomfort. Relax and shake your legs. And for the next pose, lie down again on your mat, on your back. extend your legs straight. Hug your right leg closer to your stomach. Compress it. And now hold the right leg with your left hand. The right hand is placed gently on the mat, palms faces down. Push your right leg towards the left side and turn your face towards the right side. Remember to press both the shoulder blades to the mat. Do not lift your shoulder blades off the mat. Twist and hold. This gentle twist enhances blood flow to your digestive organs and activates the parasympathetic system, helping the gut relax and recover naturally. And slowly release and bring the other leg closer to your stomach first. Hold it with the opposite hand. The left hand is placed gently on the floor, palm faces the mat, and pull the left leg closer to the right side and repeat it on the other side. Twist like this gently compresses and releases the abdomen, improving gut motility and stimulating the vagus nerve for better digestion and reduced reflux. Healing isn't forced. It flows when you learn to let go. Slowly relax. Extend your legs and relax in Shavasana. Allow your body to fully unwind. Stay here for 2 to 5 minutes. Studies show deep rest practices like Shavasana or Yoga Nidra in Shavasana can calm the nervous system, improve gut function, and ease IBS and acid reflux symptoms. For a guided Yoga Nidra, check the video linked in the description box below. Once you're finished, gently roll towards one side and raise up for the next segment. The next segment is the pranayama. For this, you can sit in any comfortable position. We are going to perform the diaphragmatic breathing. Keep one hand over your belly and the other hand in Chin Mudra. Now inhale deeply for 4 seconds, expanding your belly like a balloon. Feel the movement of your belly expansion with this hand. Inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 8. This extended exhalation helps to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system and thus helping us to improve our digestion. You can close your eyes if you want to get better focus within your body and in your breathing. With each slow breath, let your belly rise and fall. Diaphragmatic breathing activates the vagus nerve, calming your stress response and improving digestion. Studies show pranayama and vagal activation can significantly ease IBS and GERD symptoms by restoring balance in the gut-brain axis. Once done, slowly relax. This completes our pranayama practice. Let's discuss some simple Ayurvedic food tips for better digestion. From an Ayurvedic perspective, for a healthy digestion, Agni, the fire, is important. To support Agni and reduce Ama, the undigested residue, try the following tips. Eat warm, cooked meals rather than cold or raw foods, especially for the evenings. Include digestion supporting spices like ginger, cumin, coriander or fennel seeds in your food in moderate amounts, or you can consume them as herbal tea after your meals. Chew food well and consume your food mindfully and avoid overeating or rushing your food. I have discussed a lot of the tips and techniques in my book Yogic Secrets of Eating. If you are interested in deepening your wellness journey, check out my book Yogic Secrets of Eating. Purchase link is in the description box below. These simple steps strengthen digestion and reduce bloating over a period of time. The next segment that we are going to do is the mudra therapy. If you wish to learn more about Hasta Mudras, do check the link in the description box below. The mudra that we are going to discuss is the Apanavayu mudra. In yoga, Apanavayu is responsible for elimination. When elimination is done properly, then the digestive issues get slowly resolved. So let's see how to perform this Hasta Mudra. Try to touch the tips of your ring finger and middle finger to the tip of your thumb on both the hands. Try to touch the tips and extend the other 2 fingers, the little finger and the index finger, and place it on your lap. Now keep your eyes closed and listen to this quick guided meditation to calm the digestive system by grounding energy and releasing emotional tension held in the gut. Keeping your hands resting in Apana Mudra, feel the gentle pulse at your fingertips. Your body is starting to relax. As you breathe out, let go of any heaviness or stress in your belly. As you breathe in, imagine cool, calm air bringing comfort inside. Let your breath move like gentle ocean waves. Affirm to your body, I let go. I feel at ease. I let go. I feel at ease. Stay here, calm and steady, letting your tummy and mind settle. Once you are done, slowly wiggle your fingers. Once we finish the mudra and meditation practices, let's move on to the next segment, that is journaling, a reflection of our emotions. Take your pen and notebook or your journaling app and try to note down one food or one emotion or one time of the day when the digestion feels off. Ask yourself, what did I feel just before the symptom? And what small change can I try tomorrow? Journaling helps the gut-brain loop because awareness is the first step to change. Research shows your gut and brain are tightly interlinked. Stress, anxiety, and past emotional challenges can directly change gut sensations and mobility. So, calming the nervous system is as important as focusing on your diet when you are managing IBS or any digestive issues. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or include bleeding, weight loss, or difficulty swallowing, please see a medical specialist. Yoga is supportive, but not a replacement for medical care. Practice these gentle moves 3 to 4 times a week. Track what changes and be patient. The gut remembers your kindness. If you like this ST60 Yoga Wellness series, then do like, share, and subscribe Aathmik Yoga. Together, let's journey through the 60 days of mindful yoga across this beautiful island. One breath, one pose, one moment at a time. See you again on your next ST60 Yoga flow. Until then, Nandri.